In this video, we'll take a look at contrast and balance and why it's so important to us to understand in the world of design. In design, when comparing two or more objects by their appearance, we refer to this as contrast. There are many different ways to compare the elements or objects. We can do this through shape, quantity, direction, position, and space. The higher the contrast, the more importance you can apply to a specific element or elements. When designing websites, we use contrast to make things stand out. An example of this might be a call to action button. We can use space around the object, such as white space, and color to contrast that specific element to make it stand out. Perfect. So we understand what contrast is and how to apply contrast to objects in a composition. Let's take a look at applying techniques to achieve balance. In design, balance is known as the equal distribution of weight within a composition. Because we live in a world of gravity, we automatically want to make things weigh the same to put our minds at ease. So we can use things like shape, size, color, and texture to see how heavy or light the overall composition feels to achieve overall balance. Again, we automatically want to make things weigh the same. It makes us feel comfortable. We can also use symmetry to achieve balance. This is when a layout appears mirrored. This is known as symmetrical balance. A type of symmetrical balance known as radial balance is also very effective when achieving overall balance. This is when there are organized repeating patterns within a composition. Now, I will tell you this, becoming a master at achieving perfect balance within a composition takes a lot of work and a lot of dedication. Whenever you hear a designer saying, "I need to play around with this design a little bit more," means he or she is trying to figure out the perfect balance within that composition. Now that we understand contrast and balance, let's take a quick quiz.